All right, real quick, I just wanted to show you guys something that could help you diagnosing bad video signal on your quad. Here we have an MMCX, sorry. Some of them may have a UFL, doesn't matter. What we're talking about is gonna be at this end, and what we're looking for is damage to the wire right at the tip, right here. And you can actually see where the wire has started to pull away from the shrink tubing right there. You can see kind of a stretching mark. And what that comes from is the SMA cable. When you connect the end to your VTX, most people, when they start attaching their antenna, don't realize that this part of the SMA will start to spin if they over tighten. And when it does spin and this is connected, the wires right here start to twist. And when they get twisted, they start to break. The other issue is on installation not providing enough space, you can start to bend the wire, and then over time, in crashes or just vibrations or just getting pushed and pushed harder and harder, it'll start to again break and pull away. So we've actually opened this one up to show you that this one is literally completely disconnected. You can see inside where the wires are supposed to be, there are no wires. That's because, again, they pulled back through, and that's what you see, that like stretching right there is the wires have actually sucked back in. So always check your SMAs for damage. If the wire itself, replacing it doesn't fix it, check the antenna for damage. And if those two things don't fix it, well, then you know it's the hardware.